Alright.
Come here.
Alright, Zaid, you can count. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good, wow. You really know these.
Yep.
Where's, wait, I need to find
These
it.
are the ones that squeeze.
4, they,
Okay, Zaid, you can count these.
2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Easy squeezy. This one's easy too.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, 5.
6. 6. I'll get some more.
Wait, is this, I can't read these letters.
8.
What do I do?
We didn't do 8 yet.